honk, Isaac. You guys ever honk going through here? Here it goes. There's another one. Ready? There's another one. Ready? Ready? Whoa!
These are the mountains.
Are they super big? Welcome to Thermopolis. We're here with my friend Ashton. We'll bring you along for the ride.
All right. We are in Hot Springs State Park at a little playground they have here. This place is awesome. So if you're Hot Springs State Park, check out this playground because it's great. It's right across from the swimming pools, the Hot Springs swimming pools, and don't forget this when you're here.
Another cool thing about this playground is it actually connects to this path right here. And that path goes over to the suspension bridge. And on the other side of the suspension bridge is an awesome view of the hot springs. So that's kind of cool to go check out. And then also right up the block is the Safari Club. And that's where we're gonna go eat dinner tonight. So just a good spot for everything nearby.
Okay, so I'm right outside the Days Inn here. Hooked onto the Days Inn is a safari club. Definitely a place you're going to want to check out when you're here, but I'll go through and give you a quick tour. Awesome, lots of cool pictures. I mean, just from years and years of this place being here. This is pretty awesome here. Take a left and you come up on the Safari Club. There's a restaurant right through here, and outside they have a little place to eat. So some pretty sweet views. I definitely think the hunters will like this place. All sorts of stuff to look at. And then we actually sat over here. There's our table. Hey, buddy. And then right to the left. Really, really nice place. Definitely check out the Safari Club when you're here. And grab a bite to eat.
Called it a hotel.
Look at the big bear. Hey, look. All right, we're in front of Star Plunge. So we are gonna go in there, check everything out, use the slides. It's been here for, I think, over 100 years. Let's check out Star Plunge. Are you guys ready? Yeah. What are you gonna do in here? What's one thing on your mind? I know, other than that though, swimming's obvious. Diving board. Diving board. Sweet. We gonna go down a slide?
Yeah.
All right, hey, give me a thumbs up.
So here's the inside. There's a hot tub right over here and a vapor cave back there. The indoor slide and a pretty big indoor swimming pool with the little kids swimming right over there. And here's the outdoor swimming pool. Another big pool. And then a little kids slide right over there. And one of the main attractions, a high diving board. And Elijah is actually next. Here he goes. Oh, pretty good. Now Ashton's next. Oh, running start. Good job. Is Daddy going next?
Isaac, ready? What? Go again.
Wow! Is that so high? Woohoo! Here comes Isaac down the little kid slide. Here he is. Good job, buddy.
That was easy. Look at mommy. Look
Good
at mommy.
job. Oh, there's Elijah. See, there's brother. There's Ashton. Oh, is that funny? Is that funny?
Way to go, mommy! Alright, so we just got done swimming a Star Plunge, and about 1999, so roughly 22 years ago, Brooke and I were in the same town in Thermopolis, Wyoming. We went swimming. After we were done swimming, we felt hungry. There's not a lot of places to eat in Thermopolis, Wyoming. And the one main place that stuck out to us was Pizza Hut. So we went and ate pizza, and I'll tell you what, that was probably the best pizza we had ever eaten right after swimming. So that actually became a Graham family tradition. Every time we swim, we go eat pizza. So what we're doing right now is we just got done at Star Plunge. It was a great time, lots of fun. We're all hungry, and guess where we're going? We're going to Pizza Hut.
Pizza whip, that's how we do it down there. Pizza whip, what, 2 times, bring it up, oh.
Did you find the castle park and you rode your bike all the way here? You did so good.
Brake. Good. Brake. Behind me is a sign that's been on that mountain for years. World's largest mineral hot springs, right here in Thermopolis. So I'm gonna get a little drone footage. I'm gonna show you the sign up there. Get a picture of that. I'm gonna show you the Star Plunge, and just kind of give you a quick overview. All right, so right behind me is this little cafe in Thermopolis, Wyoming called Black Bear Cafe. I'm telling you what, this place is awesome. So we found this, I think through Yelp a couple years back, and last time we came, it was closed, and so we're gonna give it a shot today. They got some sweet cinnamon rolls, which I'm gonna order. I'll show you what them look like. It's a nice little place. We found a spot right over here. So here's their menu here.
Do you think you'll eat both your pancakes, or do you want to get one at a time?
They got a lot of stuff here to pick from.
I might eat both. And I don't.
Get some close shots of the pictures. Pictures here of the menu. What up, guys? Isaac, hey, can you give me a thumbs up? Thumbs up for food? All right, not bad. There's a thumbs down. We need thumbs ups. All right, so I got the protein breakfast here. And the giant cinnamon roll coming up. What? Check this out. This is the giant cinnamon roll I was talking about. Boom. Fills the whole plate. What do you think, Elijah?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? What Ashton get? Good. Yeah, you like it? Oh. Isaac. Isaac, what'd you get? What do you have? Pancake. Yeah. All right. What'd Mommy get? French toast. Looking good.
Subscribe for more great content that is ready to come. Peace out.